Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Acer Academy. Today I'm going to discuss about SSC CPO 2023 GK questions of 5th October first shift. So let's go through the question. First question. Hara Shankar Bhattacharya is a maestro of Hara Shankar Bhattacharya is a maestro of sitar, which cell organelle appears as rounded or sausage-shaped structures under electron microscopy, measuring about zero point 0.5 to 1 micrometer in diameter and 2 to 8 micrometer in length. Which is that? Sausage shaped. They are telling like sausage shaped. So, that is mitochondria. Next question. Which of the following dance forms originated in southeastern India? So, if this is the southern part, southeastern is this part is southeastern part. So, which is that? So, it is which of the dance form is originated in southeastern part? This is in North India. Kuchipudi is from Andhra Pradesh. So, this is in southeastern part. Okay. The term inning is related to which of the following sport? The term inning is related to Coco and cricket also. Which of the following industries was not in Schedule A of Industrial Policy 1956? Which of the following industry was not in Schedule A of Industrial Policy 1956? That is mining of salt. So which were there in Schedule A? Iron and steel, air transport, mineral oils. These three were in the Schedule A of Industrial Policy 1956. Which chemical element of group 18 of the periodic table is produced by natural radioactive decay of uranium in soil and rocks? So, which element was produced by the natural radio decay of uranium in soil and rock? That is radon. अम्मनूर माधव चाकियार को निम्नलिखित में से किस नृत्य शैली में उनके योगदान के लिए पद्मश्री सम्मानित किया गया था? So Ammanur Madhav is related to which art form? He is related to Kuttiyaattam. केंद्र द्वारा राज्यपाल की नियुक्ति भारत के संविधान की किस विशेषता से संबंधित है? केंद्र द्वारा राज्यपाल की नियुक्ति भारत के संविधान की किस विशेषता से संबंधित है? दैट इज यूनिटरी सिस्टम, एकात्मक प्रणाली. So, Ashtadhyayi is a Sanskrit treatise on grammar written in the 6th to 5th century BC by. So, Ashtadhyayi is written by Panini. Panini is a Sanskrit grammar expert. So, where is Red Lake found? Red Lake found. Red Lake is found at USA. Which of the following is not included in inventory investment when calculating national income? Which is not included in inventory investment? That is, change in sales during the year is not included. So, what are included? See, change in stock of semi-finished goods, change in stock of raw material, change in stock of finished goods are included in the inventory investment. Okay. The star-shaped temples are built during the reign of. The star-shaped temples were built during the reign of Hoysala. The provision of fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution is inspired by USSR. The Constitution of USSR. So fundamental duties are inspired from USSR. How many types of amendment are mentioned in Indian Constitution as per Article 368? How many types of amendments are mentioned? There are two types of amendments are mentioned. In the game of ice hockey, during normal play, how many players are there in each team on the ice at any one time to complete? So there will be 6 players. For ice hockey, there will be 6 players at a time. आप उस प्रकार की दवाइयों को क्या कहते हैं जो ग्राही रिसेप्टर को स्विच ऑन करके प्राकृतिक संदेशवाहक की प्रतिकृति करती है? So that is agonist. Agonist. The servants of Indian society was a brain cell of which of the following leaders? So, servants of Indian society. The leader was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Which of the following is not an example of minor industrial region of India? So, which are the example for minor industrial region of India? So, Ambala Amritsar region, Northern Malabar region, Durg Raipur region are the major minor industrial region. So, Huli region is not a minor region. So, this one is the correct answer. Okay. Siachen in Himalaya is Siachen is a glacier. That is, glacier. How many times Has India won the ICC T20 Men's World Cup in cricket? So how many times India won? One time. It only won once. Which of the following is a roundworm? Ascaris is a roundworm. In which of the following languages is Childhood Days, a memoir by Satyajit Ray written? So Childhood Days memoir is written by Satyajit Ray and it is written in Bengali language. 16वीं शताब्दी के दौरान बहुमनी साम्राज्य के विघटन के परिणाम स्वरूप निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा अस्तित्व में नहीं आया? That is गौर। निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा नृत्य रूप अपनी उत्पत्ति को प्राचीन नृत्य साधित अट्टम से जोड़ता है? दैट इज भरतनाट्यम। निम्नलिखित से कौन सा नृत्य रूप अपनी उत्पत्ति को प्राचीन नृत्य तो उत्पत्ति को प्राचीन नृत्य साधिराट्टम इज रिलेटेड टू भरतनाट्यम। ओके, द शेप ऑफ ए बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट इज रेक्टेंगल। निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा पद लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस द्वारा बंगाल में लागू की गई एक प्रणाली व्यवस्था को इंगित करता है जिसके तहत जमींदारों को एक निश्चित तिथि तक एक निश्चित राजस्व प्राप्त करने के लिए भूमि का कानूनी स्वामित्व प्रदान किया जाता था? दैट इज स्वाति बंदोबस्त। When was the Atmiya Sabha founded to attack the evils within Hinduism? Atmiya Sabha was founded on 1814. Atmiya Sabha was founded on 1814. What percentage of jobs in India are at a risk of automation as per World Bank 2016? So World Bank data, they have told like the Indian jobs are at risk of automation. So what percentage of jobs are at risk? That is 69% of jobs are at risk. See, now the AI has taken power. So most of the people has lost their jobs. So on 2016 itself, the World Bank data has told that 69% of jobs in India will be at risk. The Eastern Ghats stretch from Dash to the Nilgiris in the south. So Eastern Ghats stretch from Mahanadi Valley. So Mahanadi is like here. So from Nilagiri here. Okay. How many fundamental duties are listed in Indian Constitution as of 2022? So how many fundamental duties? 11. So originally there was 10 fundamental duties which was added in 42nd Amendment. After that, in 86th Amendment, another fundamental duty was added. The Himalayas have been divided on the basis of regions from west to east. The correct order of regions from west to east is so from west to east like this, from west to east. That is Punjab Himalayas. Punjab is here this part. Then Kumon Himalayas, Nepal Himalaya, Assam Himalaya. Kumon, Punjab, Kumon, Nepal, Assam. Under which article of Indian Constitution shall the executive power of Union be vested in the President? So the executive power of Union is vested in President is in Article 53. The dash birth rate indicates the number of live births occurring during the year per 10,000 population estimated at mid-year. That is, crude birth rate indicates the number of births occurring during the year per 1,000 population estimated at mid-year. 1 kilowatt is equal to 3,600 kilojoule per hour. 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt is equal to 3,600. 3,600 kilojoule per hour. When was the eighth round of the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GATT, the so-called Uruguay round, which led to the establishment of World Trade Organization, completed? World Trade Organization completed. When? It is on 1994. So there will be questions like when was WTO established? It was on 1994. So it was on the eighth round of General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. And it is also called Uruguay round. What is special about Uruguay? The first FIFA was held at hosted by Uruguay and they became the first winner of FIFA World Cup. Jagjit Singh is associated with which form of singing? Jagjit Singh is associated with ghazal. ghazal. माइमिता निम्नलिखित में से किस राज्य का लोकप्रिय लोक नृत्य है? माइमिता is related to Tripura. The dance from Tripura. When was Khandesh merged into the Mughal Empire by Akbar? Khandesh merged into Mughal Empire by Akbar on 1601. In which type of rainfall winds move out from a high pressure area with the wind direction clockwise in the northern hemisphere and anti-clockwise in southern hemisphere, that is anticyclone. It is wind direction is in clockwise in northern and anti-clockwise in southern hemisphere. Who among the following had written Coolie, the novel Coolie, that concentrated on social misery about inhumanity, that is Mulk Raj Anand. Which article of Constitution of India states that the Prime Minister is appointed by President of India? That is 75 states that the PM is appointed by President of India. निम्न में से कौन सा विकल्प लघु बचतों का उदाहरण नहीं है? बचताओं को मीन्स सेविंग्स का उदाहरण नहीं है. So it is that. So Kisan Vikas Patra, National Savings of Certificate, Post Office Deposits are the savings. This is investment plan. So we can't say sometimes it may go loss, sometimes it may get profit. Vultures are carnivores. Vultures are carnivores. The president of which of the following countries was invited as a chief guest for the Republic Day parade on 26 January 2020? So it was Brazil. Brazil's chief guest was the Brazil's Prime Minister was President. Okay, Brazil's president was chief guest for the Republic Day on 2020. In which of the following years did the government opt for a planned holiday after the seventh 5-year plan? It is from 1990 to 1992. 1990 to 1992. By observing the motion of objects on inclined plane, dash deduced that objects move with a constant speed when no force acts on them. That is Galileo. Galileo stated that when an object is on inclined plane, the objects move with a constant speed when no force acts on them. From the given options, choose the one which is not a product of decomposition reaction of lead nitrate. Not a product of decomposition of reaction of lead nitrate. Oxygen is a product, lead oxide is a product, nitrogen oxide is a product. So nitrogen is not a product. चद शुक्र त्योहार की जयंतिया जनजाति द्वारा मनाया जाता है. So Chad Sukra is the festival celebrated in Meghalaya. Chad Sukra. See, so many festivals were asked, like different festivals were asked in different shifts. Which radioactive element with atomic number 43 in the modern periodic table is unstable and the half-lives of all its isotopes are relatively short from a 4.2 million years to 5s, that is टेक्टेनियम. डैश भूमि नियमित रूप से फसल के लिए उपयुक्त है, that is कृषि अरेबल भूमि. अरेबल, okay, अरेबल. Barren is not, marginal is not, urban is not good for, not suggested for agriculture. So arable, that is krishi bhumi, is suggested for growing field, growing agriculture. So this is the 50 questions of 5th October first shift. I'll come with the other two shifts in short time. Thank you for watching.